So this is the Clicker 8 software where we will have the additional extra assignment for students to take home, or students who want to substitute their scavenger hunt can also use this assignment. Students who find the scavenger hunt and the clicker, not the Clicker 8, but the Smartboard activity more easy for them, they can also come on here and have to organize and structure a more complex sentence. The good thing about this Clicker 8 thing is when you click a word and you click the period,
Virginia,
it will read back to you as you see. And also down here we have the map to identify the sentence structuring to the map, so the students kind of like have a clue on what they will be pretty much typing about. So I'm gonna give a quick example.
this is the state of Virginia.
So as you see here, it reads the sentence to you, and so teachers will have kind of be able to shadow the students, make sure they are doing the assignment correctly, where they will have to click all the words in here. For students who need sentence that are more complex, we'll have to do assignment something similar to this. So this would be
Virginia is one of the 13 original colonies.
so as you see here, that was a little bit more complex. I have a few here. This one is by Maryland. They'll be looking at this. This is by North Carolina, and so on and so forth. The students would be engaging in an extra activity. I think they can access this software online as well.